Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to build a clean, modern Neumorphic button using just HTML and CSS. This design style is also known as soft UI, and it's a great way to add a minimal, elegant look to your website. Let's get started. First, we'll start by setting up the HTML structure. This will be super simple. We're creating a basic web page with a single button inside a div. Now let's style the background in CSS to set the tone for the Neumorphic effect. We're using a soft gray background and centering everything using Flexbox. Here's where the soft UI style comes in. We apply two box shadows, a darker one on the bottom right and a lighter one on the top left to simulate depth. The result? A soft, raised button. To make the button feel interactive, we add an active state. This uses inset shadows to make the button look pressed when you click on it. And that's it. You now have a beautiful Neumorphic button created with pure HTML and CSS. Feel free to customize the colors, size, and shadows to match your design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick UI tips, and let me know in the comments if there's a component you'd like to see next.